Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make the perfect tuna salad using an easy method. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 2 cans of your favorite tuna, about 1/2 cup of creamy mayonnaise, and 1 stalk of crisp celery. Make sure your tuna is well drained for the best texture. This recipe is incredibly straightforward and yields delicious results every time. Now, let's get to mixing. After draining your tuna completely, flake it gently into a medium bowl. Add about 1/4 cup of mayonnaise for every 6-ounce can of tuna. Next, fold in your finely diced celery. For an extra layer of flavor, a small teaspoon of Dijon mustard works wonders, adding a subtle tang that elevates the entire dish. Seasoning is key to a perfect tuna salad. Add salt and freshly ground black pepper to your liking, tasting as you go. A squeeze of fresh lemon juice, about 1/2 teaspoon, brightens the flavors beautifully. If you enjoy more texture, consider adding 1/4 cup of finely chopped red onion or sweet pickle relish. Mix everything gently until well combined. Once your tuna salad is mixed, cover it and chill in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld together perfectly. Serve your delicious creation on toasted whole wheat bread, in crisp lettuce cups for a lighter option, or alongside your favorite crackers. A sprinkle of fresh chopped parsley or paprika adds a lovely finishing touch. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.